Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the primary fuel and the fastest source for cell energy. The brain needs 125 grams of carbohydrates every day. Without it, the liver starts to break down glycogen stores and uses this. If these become depleted, our smart biology turns the body's protein into glucose, which can lead to muscle wasting and lowered metabolic rate. This is a big problem with low-carb diets. The more we engage in high-intensity exercise, the more we need dietary carbohydrate to fuel the muscles and prevent muscle protein breakdown. A passive person gets 40% of daily energy from carbohydrates. For a very active person, this may be 70% or higher. If you're not getting enough, you may suffer from fatigue, insomnia, headaches, and excessive thirst. If symptoms last for more than a couple of days, you should try to raise your carbohydrate levels by 10 to 20 grams per day until you start to feel well again. The first step is to remove everything from your diet that isn't natural or doesn't have health benefits. After that, it's time to add good carbohydrate sources to your diet. Fiber-rich vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots, among many others, are a fantastic source of carbohydrate. The more the better, but aim for at least 500 grams or 18 ounces per day. Whole grains and cereals have a good composition of vitamins and minerals, and are the best option to fill your daily carbohydrate need. Fruits and berries contain amazing micronutrients and antioxidants that you can't get anywhere else. In general, they have the highest glycemic index of natural carbohydrate sources. That's why they fit perfectly as before or after workout meals, or as breakfast.